Hi, so my name is Laura Walsh. I'm a channel account manager at SolarWinds. And just literally for the next few minutes, I will keep it short. I'm just going to go over just kind of a little bit of information about our background, how we sell our products, and then just the products themselves, okay? So we were founded in '99 in Tulsa in Oklahoma. It's actually founded by two network engineers. Basically, they didn't have the products they needed to do their job, so they decided to create their own, and that's how SolarWinds kind of came about. You'll see there as well, just from the timeline, we went, became a public company in 2009, and actually earlier this year we were bought over by. Oh, sorry. So in 2016, then we were actually bought over by Silver Lake and Thoma Brava as well. So on the right-hand side then is just kind of a map really, just of where some of our offices are. Our headquarters are in Austin in Texas. We do have offices in Australia, Singapore, Brno in the Czech Republic, and unfortunately we kind of drew the short straw and we're based in Cork. But Ireland is a great country if you could put a roof on it really. So we've over 1,800 employees and over 150,000 customers and 425 of US Fortune 500 customers as well. So you'll see along the bottom here just some of our global customers, the likes of Visa, ING Bank, and in Ireland then we'd have AIB Bank. The Department of Education actually has a lot of our products as well, and just above that then some of the awards that we've won. So we actually won Cork Company of the Year 2015, which is actually a great achievement for us because we do have a lot of great companies that actually are in Cork. So I know this has been referenced by a number of other vendors, but this year was a great year for us. It's actually the first year that SolarWinds was accepted onto the Magic Quadrant. And you'll see they were positioned in the top left-hand corner. So that was for the ability to execute. And that was actually based on our Network Performance Monitor and our NetFlow Traffic Analyzer as well. So our business model, SolarWinds is different to your traditional way of selling. We don't sell to the CIO or the CTO. We sell to the network engineers, the system engineers. We're selling to the end user, and they in turn actually drive the buying decision for us then. The products, they are a lot, probably a bad way to say it, but we do have really low entry cost points, and it's actually, our products are on a tiered basis for license, so you can start off low and build up then as you need to, and they are a lot, price wise it is very competitive, very easy to use. It's pretty much out of the box and you're up and running within an hour most of the time, and we don't have custom enterprise agreements, it's just standard click-through agreements as well. So our vision at the moment, our bread and butter seems to be kind of on-premise, but we do know that the IT environment is changing and things are moving to a more cloud-based environment. So in this diagram here, you'll see that we can monitor whether it's on-premise, whether it's hosted or software as a service, or whether it's in the cloud. Regardless of how your infrastructure is set up, we've products that can monitor it. Now this is the Orion Platform. So this is the architecture that all of our products sit on. So across the top, we have the products. They are modular, so you don't have to buy all of the products together. Add as your business grows and as the need kind of arises. But on the Orion Platform, we do have discovery and resource mapping, so you don't have to manually configure in all of your information. We'll actually reach out into your environment and pull all the elements back. Standard alerting and reporting as well, and we do have a lot of out-of-the-box reports. One thing that we do have is our online community, which is called TWAC. So if there is, we say, a report that's not there that you need, you can either make your own because it is fully customizable, or a lot of the time it's already available there, so you can just take it from that. So our products, so our network products that we have would be our Network Performance Monitor, your up-down status really of your environment. The NetFlow Traffic Analyzer, which is kind of the who, the what and the where, so if you're having bandwidth or latency issues. And then your Network Configuration Manager as well then, so again it does kind of, as the name says, it manages all your configurations, and you can do, if you have a larger environment, bulk configuration changes as well. So system side, your server and application monitor, your storage resource monitor, and your virtualization manager. A really cool feature that we actually have in the storage resource monitor is it actually makes recommendations. So instead of, like, if you're running out of space, instead of automatically thinking that you have to upgrade, it will make recommendations on where you can actually save on your space. And then you have the virtualization manager to manage your virtual environment. So your applications then, web performance monitor, the server and application monitor again, and your database performance analyzer. Now we do have security products, so login event manager and patch manager, and they sit across all platforms. One thing to note, just with our products, is they are all perpetual licenses, so it's not a subscription-based license. Our contacts, I'm not going to go through these, but there's myself at the top, and Tony Johnson, who's actually our sales engineer, is with me as well, and I owe him an apology because I never put him up there, but it doesn't make him any less important. So he'll be available for any technical questions in the one-to-ones. Thank you.